Hey guys, we are mixing up a volcano project. Make sure to enjoy and stay tuned. There's
Okay.
1 cup of water.
And there's the plaster.
Lots of plaster.
The plaster gets mixed with the water. So then we put the water into the plaster, 1 cup with a bag of plaster. The plaster came in, where did the bag go? Now we're mixing. So we gotta mix it all together.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it. You might need more water, baby. You think you need more water? You gotta mix it so it's all mixed up. Okay. How's it going, buddy?
Not too.
It looks good. You're doing good.
Eruption.
Does it have to be like all like? Wait, are you saying that it has to be like this white stuff or something?
Yeah, here, let me help you. I think you just got to get it all so the powder goes away and gets mixed with the water. Right? And get all the lumps out.
Okay.
And then we're going to pour it into this.
Well, I think it's flat.
There's the volcano.
It's okay.
Goes
You can wash it off. Good job, buddy. I think that's good. Okay. So we mix it all together. Looks like we got it all. Then, so look, we're gonna get it all down. All right. Then we gotta pour it into this. So this is the volcano mold.
Like eruption earth.
You got it.
Do you like volcanoes, Dad?
Yeah.
So the lava's gonna like boom, boom, boom. So cool. Dad, what's the eruption smell like?
Well, you're gonna find out.
Let me smell it. Oh, just regular eruption.
Then we gotta let it sit for 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Okay, so let's get this out. And then for 45 minutes, so maybe we'll take this out to the pool with us, because we'll be at the...
Good. Volcano.
Nice. All right, so what happens then is in 45 minutes, this is going to get hard. And then we can take it out of this red mold. And then it says, we got to kind of like scrape off the loose ends. And then we got to let it sit for 2 days.
Dang.
That's what I was saying. This is going to take, it's...
I made your favorite spot there.
Oh, thank you.
All right, guys. It is at
that'd
the
be
pool
great.
now
There
with
should be some under the
sunlight.
Here.
Yep. It's out the pool with sunlight. This little eruption with white stuff. It's starting to harden up. So it's getting dried by the pool on a sunny day. Hi guys, it's been a few minutes since the volcano has been outside. So it's drying up and it's getting hard. And we just have to keep waiting for it. So please stay tuned and please like this video so we can give you a shout out in our videos. Love you guys. Alright guys, now it's been a few hours and the white stuff is hardened. Now we're peeling off the plastic. Take off the rubber.
Oh, that's so cute.
Whoa, guys, that's so
Actually,
cute.
Now
you can end it.
You can use that little knife I got there.
And if you put them in the bowl, it'd be even better.
Yeah, do it in the bowl.
So you don't make a mess. Now, can I go up and start cutting stuff up? Because it's like 20 or 5. You want me to pull these noodles out, or are you going to make the minions do something? I'm just going to rinse off and then, I got a cake on, so I'm like, if I go in, and then I'll start cutting the tofu. No, it's just that noodle way down there, that's the problem.
Okay, here we go. Ready. Good. Stop it.
It looks amazing.
Now we gotta paint it. Dad, it looks ready to paint to me.
Well, it said at least a day, so let's paint it tomorrow. It
All
said
right.
1-2 days. It's been hot though. Since it's hot, it goes quicker, and I think by tomorrow we'll be okay.
Oh, so that means we don't have to do tomorrow afternoon anymore. We don't have to do 2 days anymore. We just have to do one.
And then you guys are off until Tuesday.
Wait, feel the
You
softness.
paint it
Whoa.
tomorrow, and then on
Feel
Tuesday
that?
you come
I
back.
feel good. Daddy, feel the softness inside. And feel the outside.
It looks good. I think.
I think we got a good volcano.
Oh, it looks
Can I
amazing.
tell you why it's thick? Because we had it there for a long time. It already got hard, so a little bit. So it's already hard, like way hard.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, I got it. Whoa! What the? Wait. What the heck? How did this little thing make a volcano? How did it make this? We're good. What is this? Oh, I can make this ring. Rings. Whoop whoop. You good? Oh, look at that inside part. So there's inside the volcano. It's like a little bit of like pinkish stuff. And then this is how our volcano is turned out when it's hardened. And tomorrow we're gonna paint it. So wait and see when we paint it tomorrow. Now guys, it's been a few days later and we're painting the volcano.
And me and Mai need to talk about something real quick.
Well, it's a really cool orange here.
Don't talk, don't judge. We don't judge.
So this volcano experiment is gonna explode like a real volcano.
Okay.
It was white before. We let it sit in the sun. It's been a few days later and now
We made this out of scrap.
Hmm?
We made it out of nothing. No, well, actually we had stuff to make it, so scratch is where you find some. Scratch is where you get something. That's what scratch is. Like, this one we got pieces, so it's not scratch. I have an idea. If I want that paint gone,
What?
I wiped it. It's gone
Good.
because I hate that brown.
So we wanted to make it like a realistic volcano, like a real one.
No, we're not. We're making a fairy tale.
Ooh, a fairy tale volcano.
See like this.
Is it gonna be like different colors?
You'll see. Doesn't always have to be brown.
How's it going? You guys need anything?
Looks like our dad's right behind us.
So far we have the orange, yellow, and there's some brown over here.
And by the way, it's not going to be all brown and plain.
It's gonna be a cool one.
Pink. I'll put it here. And I think we'll have some glitter over top of everything. This is going to take me a while. Bye. Look, guys, so I made the volcano. Instead of real, it's like a fairy tale. Now, my dad's going to help me. Now what is, okay.
So this is a fairy tale volcano. It's rainbow.
And I named it. I
Yep.
named it. Look at me. I named it.
Yep.
My M is holding the camera, so yeah.
And the bottom, he painted purple. All right, now we're just waiting on a few things for the big exploding part. So make sure to enjoy.
Our first step is to start with the first part of the eruption powder,
Can I do this?
which is sodium bicarbonate. You want to pour the next one in?
So it's red.
All right. We add the second part of the eruption mixture, which is the citric acid.
Did I put it here?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Good.
Can we mix it?
Yep, hold on.
Ooh, those are like white crystals.
Mm-hmm.
I'll mix it.
Okay.
Is there anything
now
else?
A is
Oh, yes.
now he's crushing it up and mixing it really nice.
Do I have to crush this thing or something?
It's making it
And now it's like red now.
Yeah. Then it's gonna be eaten.
Good job mixing it. And we're gonna put a spoon of this.
So is it gonna explode when you put them in?
Not quite yet. We're gonna put this in first.
All of it?
Not all of it. Just
Can I put some in it?
Uh-huh. Just tiny bit more.
Until it fills up?
No, just a tiny bit more.
It all didn't go.
Good.
Look
Now
at it.
Stop for a
All
second.
right, guys, I think it's gonna explode now.
Now we are going to have a exploding volcano. We are going to add water to the mixture of the sodium bicarbonate and citric acid and water for the eruption.
Whoa, looks cool.
And then if we want to make it erupt more, this,
Okay.
yeah, there you go. Sometimes a little bit of,
It looks white. That's so cool. It's like candy cane.
mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Oh.
Okay,
that washed
we should stop.
What's it gonna do now?
Well, volcanoes erupt and then they rest, and then they erupt more a little later, so it's resting.
it. Look. Wait, it's not going up. Pour it. Put some water.
The water
Whoa!
causes the chemical reaction.
There. There we go. Look at our new
Oh, look at those!
volcano.
Look at those lava on the plate.
Mm-hmm.
And then this. Oh, look at your hands now.
Very cool.
This is the fairy tale volcano with a bunch of red pinkish lava. Looks cool.
Very cool.
This is also very hot, guys. Oh!
Very hot, just like a volcano.
Oh, woo! Looks cool. And that was the first round of lava. And wait until you see the second round of this fairy tale volcano. See you in second round. The wind is making the bubbles flow. All right, guys. So this is the second round.
So A is putting the eruption mixture of sodium bicarbonate and citric acid into the volcano. Put a little bit more. I don't know about the big chunk. We gotta crush it. Okay, well, that might work. Put a little bit more.
Teeny bit more.
Good. And then, to make the volcano erupt even more,
We have some soap, and you won't understand why.
right? So the soap is a mixture of lye and oil, and it's gonna enhance the chemical reaction
Can I
when
pour
we
some
add the
soap in?
water. Just a little bit.
Okay, later.
Just a little bit.
Okay, let's go.
And there's the water.
Is that too much?
It's erupting.
Let's get some more.
Put a little bit more.
Can I try? Let's let M try.
All right, guys. Now I'm going to try. So, how much eruption should I put in?
Wait.
A couple of spoons.
I'll put some soap in for you.
Yep. And the soap helps.
Soap inside.
Okay, now put some of that.
Let me roll.
A is putting some in,
Oh, sorry. Let me
I'll
put.
put it in for
and
you.
M is putting some in.
All right, now let me put a spoonful of it.
And then we put it.
Whoa! Ooh, looks cool there. Let me put a little bit more.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Oh my god! Look at pinkish water.
We have a pink volcano.
And a shot of soap.
Okay, a little bit.
I think we have a little foggy. No, let's get it back. More? Or, yeah, a little bit.
Very nice. M and A are really making that volcano erupt.
Oh, hot. It's hot, hot. Oh, lava fire.
Let's do it in this one now. Let's go back to the red one.
Now it's pinkish.
It's not erupting. Where's the water?
I'm gonna try to pour some water in her right now.
Maybe we need some more eruption. Do you want some soap?
We need some eruption mixture.
Some soap. I don't think there's any soap. Just get that. There's one drip. No good.
I'm gonna add a little bit of eruption.
It's right there. That's the soap. Now let's pour it together.
We're doing it together.
It's a little bit of Boy, look at this red. It's hot on fire.
Very nice, guys. Very nice. The lava is overflowing.
Yeah, I think I
The lava fire.
Can we have the napkin so we can put the volcano? Hi, I'm A.
And I'm M.
Eruption, volcano, but you could also say volcano.
Our custom formulas.
Sodium bicarbonate,
Citric acid.
lye the soap.
like us. Love you, M&A.
Okay.
Hi, I'm A.
And I'm M.
We're doing a eruption volcano. Let's get to it. We already had the, whatever. We have to add some soap.
So,
Get in. Good. Now we need some water. Where is the water? Thank you.
woo! See, red stuff explodes once you add the water, which makes it erupt. Our fairy tale volcano.
Let's go.
Now the water's getting all pinky, and we're adding more red eruptions.
Okay. Now let's add some more soap.
So, and now here's some water. Alright, I'm gonna add some eruption.
Add all of it.
Whoa!
Look at down here.
Oh, it's cool. Alright, now add some water. Woo!
More action, please. My turn.
Ooh, there you go.
Oh, that was a good
Keep
one.
going. Just keep going.
Is that it?
I think you're the your plate there, buddy.
Nope.
They should stop, right? Because their plate's full.
Oh my
Okay, stop.
Yeah.
Because you don't get red
No,
everywhere.
it's okay. It's over. Oh, it overflowed. Take that. Come away. We gotta clean that up now.
Oh my god, guys, our plate exploded. Can you believe it? Oh my god.
I guess we got a waterfall.
I guess we got a waterfall now.
Oh, a lava flow.
Ugh, that was bad. I didn't mean to. We had to pour off water.
Bye, guys. We hope you enjoyed our fairy tale volcano eruption by M&A. Please like and subscribe so you get more fun notifications.